Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to add a method of pay, uh, 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 a pay method for Steam. This is an easy process to do. The first step is open the application of Steam and log in your account. After that, here in the Bible, you need to go here in the superior right corner in the option of your account. And here in your account, you need to put detalles de la cuenta in English. Maybe details of your account. You pick here, and after that, you need to pick here in add pay method. The only thing you need to do is pick here, and you need to add the information of your card, and you complete the process. Pick here in continuar. In English, maybe say continue, and that's it. You can buy games here in the store of Steam. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.